Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening and thank you for tuning in 2 times now. The show's called Breaking Ground and I'm Deepthi Sachdeva. On this edition of the news, we will put our focus on what's happened in Kolkata. It's a rape and a murder of a 31-year-old. This 31-year-old, remember, was not out to party. She wasn't even celebrating anything. She was just at her workplace. She was doing her job. And while she was doing her job in a hospital is where she is violated, she's mutilated, and then she's killed. All in a day's work. This reportedly happened close to about 3 to 5 a.m. Now, an incident like this will make you ask that, are women no longer safe even at their workplace? Remember, all of us go out to work. There are times we get late, we drive back late. What do netas say? Itna late kyun jaate ho? Look at their clothes. You should not step out alone. Some even tell us, don't step out of your home after dark. And then, these are the same netas, ladies and gentlemen, who will quote a lot of things about women's safety, about women reservation bill and so on and so forth. Because it suits their politics. Now, Mamata Banerjee today has no answer to the sisters and daughters of Bengal. She's said to be a no-nonsense chief minister. But when a woman trainee doctor is killed, she is raped at her own workplace, Mamata has the usual response. We want strict punishment. We will ensure there is justice. I do not tolerate all this. The usual response. But people are asking that how could something like this, remember, even happen in the first place? A woman at her workplace, if she is not safe at that workplace, where else will she be safe? How many parents today must be worried when they look at a story like this? A lot of you have been writing, and I read those remarks also on the social media saying that, what should we do? Should women step moving out of their homes? Clearly, that's a question that all of us are asking, but do we have the answer? The answer is no. But remember, every next time that you go to the hustings, you go to vote, you must remember all these issues. Not the other issues that netas use us time and again to deflect attention. I want to first up tell you what we know about the incident so far. What is it that has come to light about this extremely horrific, this dastardly crime against women? You have a semi-nude body of the woman doctor that is found in the seminar hall. This is a seminar hall on the 3rd floor of this hospital. The body is found in the hospital on Friday. Let's bring you more details. Now, there are no CCTV cameras in and around is what initially the reports came in. This doctor was on duty on Thursday night. Do remember that a lot of these doctors are overworked. They have shifts as long as 36 hours, 48 hours, and clearly you have a night shift in that. And not that, women are safe even when they go out in full daylight. We have seen such cases. So anyone who tells you that all this happened because this was pitch dark, ask them again that this happened in a hospital. In a hospital where you have tons of other people. Now, the Joint Kolkata Police Disaster Management Group is a body where the accused was working as a civic volunteer. That's the image of that man on your screens. You see him there in that light blue t-shirt. Now, his name is Sanjay Roy. He later then gets shifted to the Kolkata Police's welfare cell. So he essentially is, maybe using some kind of a clout to gain a better position. He was earning about 12,000 rupees a month is what we are given to understand. He reportedly is using quote-unquote connections to live on the premises of the KP's 4th Battalion. So clearly then he has used some strings to reach where he has. The entire idea of telling you more about the accused is to help you understand that is he right now being shielded? Is an attempt being made, as politicians are also alleging, belonging to the opposition in Bengal, to shield this man, to ensure that there is a go-slow in the case, so that tareekh pe tareekh padegi, the evidence will fall short. And who knows, he might just walk free. Because the woman, the young woman who died, is not coming back, no matter what. And even as you look at all these details right now on your screens, there have been responses, remember, that have come in from the state. This includes Mamata Banerjee and this includes Abhishek Banerjee. Another important detail right now that's on your screens is that the bike that has been recovered by the Kolkata police has KP written on it. KP is the initial for Kolkata police. So does the accused has any link to the Kolkata police? Were they aware about this? Were they trying to shield him until you saw so much of outrage happening? Clearly, these are questions that we, till now, don't have any answers to. On your screens, you're reading at more demands that have come in from protesting students across the country. Across the country, at least for the last 2 days, you have seen protesters, we've seen nurses, we've seen junior doctors, all on the streets. They are concerned, and they should be concerned. Because an incident like this, remember, if it happens in a hospital, at a workplace, where are women safe? I will keep asking this question again and again because that's the only question that matters. Now, Mamata Banerjee, there has been an allegation that she is trying to protect someone. That is the BJP's response. They also say that the parents here have accused the cops of bribing them. Kuch paisa de diya aur bola ki aap shant rahiye, we'll manage the entire case. That is the allegation that the BJP has been making right from day one. But what has Mamata said? Mamata has responded to this. She clearly is shocked. She should be. I think she should be ashamed more than shocked. Now, she also doubles up as a home minister in West Bengal. Now, she has said that a fast-track court should be set in, the police, the dog squad, forensic team. She's saying everyone is doing their job. Don't play politics. That is Mamata Banerjee. Also, she has went ahead to say that we will have a CBI probe in the case, but only once the Kolkata police is not able to act in the entire case. Now, just rewind to two comments that Mamata Banerjee has made, and if you just Google the absurd comments that netas have made, including Mamata Banerjee, I remember the Nadia rape case and the Park Street rape case. These are rape cases that date back to time. One is of February 2012. In the Park Street rape case, what did Mamata say? Mamata said that she dismissed all the allegations of a rape, and she tried to indicate that this was perhaps a love affair gone wrong. Much the same is what we heard from her on the Nadia rape case. This is, remember, where a minor was violated. And even then, Mamata said that I heard that there was a love affair between the boy and the girl. She was proven wrong on both instances. She even asked, was this a quote-unquote actual rape? Beat it. That is a sitting chief minister responding to crime against women. Let's quickly bring up the top 5 questions that we usually put out. These are questions that resonate today. These are questions we will want answers to. The first and the most important question is up on your screens. If a woman can be sexually assaulted and killed while on duty, then who is safe? Think of this. If you at your workplace are not safe, what is the message that goes out? Second question. One accused has been arrested. We just told you more about him. What do we know more about him? Is he a powerful man? Does he have connections anywhere? We'll tell you that. And also, there is a lot of buzz about more people right now being involved. So were there more people involved? We'll try and answer that question also. How did the accused have unchecked access in the hospital? Remember, he's an accused, and even if he's, a volunteer working in the hospital, how could he move in anywhere where even doctors are resting? How could he walk up to the seminar hall in the dead of the night and no one stopped him? And these questions that Mamata Banerjee will have to respond to. This brings us to our next question. Should the case now be handed over immediately to the CBI? Immediately, we say. Why is Mamata Banerjee dragging her feet? Why does she say, give me some more time, I am watching the Kolkata police. In case they fail, we'll give it to the CBI. Because do remember, in any such case, time is of the essence. If you lose the evidence, if you lose the forensic evidence, the case crumbles. So why is Mamata doing this? I'm pretty curious. We'll find out from the TMC representative joining us on the show in a moment. And the last question on your screens, women's safety. So much for women's safety. Is that, ladies and gentlemen, just a mere political slogan, just a stunt by all our netas? How today will you ensure faith to all these protesting doctors who've been out on the streets very, very worried, their parents equally worried, saying, Kal ye kisi ke saath bhi ho sakta hai. Clearly, ye kisi ke saath bhi ho sakta hai. Now, remember, like I said, a lot of outrage that we have seen through the entire country. We've seen protests by the doctors that you see on your screens: Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Lucknow, Kerala, Chandigarh. No city left untouched. All of them just have one thing to say. Please ensure justice. Please ensure our safety. Please ensure our workplaces are safe. Listen in to all the responses we have so far on this story that is deeply, deeply even political now.
This protest will continue just because this is the concern of security and safety of the resident and the junior resident doctors. And in fact, you can see behind me now they have started hitting out on the roads out of the OPDs and emergency services. So here you can see this is PGI's inside campus road. So they wanted to give a message at a larger perspective that justice should be delivered. And even see the doctors are here. We will try to speak some of them. Say this protest will remain continued till the time the justice will not get delivered.
Yes, but emergencies will not be stopped. Emergencies will be continued. OPDs will be affected until we get justice.
Until you get
justice.
We want justice for our fellow residents, and we are striving our best for that.
So this protest will remain continued?
Yes, sir.
Yes, till
we get justice.
will be continued. Workplace security is our demand. Yeah, so we will continue this till the justice is we get done.
तस्वीरों के माध्यम से दिखाना चाहेंगे कि रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर्स, जूनियर डॉक्टर्स, नर्सिंग स्टाफ, हर कोई जो है यहाँ पर तमाम अस्पताल के स्टाफ हड़ताल पर है और यहाँ पे विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। आपको बता दें कई ऐसी उनकी मांगे हैं जैसे सामने रखी गई है, जैसे प्रिंसिपल सुपर का जो है इस्तीफा देना और साथ ही असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर को भी इस्तीफा देना होगा और जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए इस पूरे मामले में। जो पीड़ित महिला है उनके परिवार के लिए कोई आर्थिक मदद जो है वो भी की जाए, लेकिन अभी तक सरकार की ओर से आर्थिक मदद की कोई भी घोषणा नहीं की गई है। ऐसे में यहाँ पर उनका कहना है कि जब तक उनकी सारी मांगे पूरी नहीं हो जाती है, हालांकि सुपर अस्पताल को और प्रिंसिपल ने इस्तीफा जरूर दिया है, साथ ही असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर को अपने पद से हटाया गया है, लेकिन जब तक जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी पर कोई घोषणा नहीं हो जाती, ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं रहती है और जब तक कोई आर्थिक मदद की घोषणा नहीं हो जाती है, उनका जो है यहाँ पर विरोध प्रदर्शन चलता रहेगा। आपको बता दें इमरजेंसी डिपार्टमेंट से लेकर ओपीडी तक यहाँ पर अस्पताल के जो सभी विभाग है वहां पर फिलहाल सीज वर्क चल रहा है। ये डॉक्टर जो है वहां पर नहीं जा रहे हैं और जो भी मरीज यहाँ पर पहुंच रहा है उन्हें फिर एक बार वापस जाना पड़ रहा है। वहीं दूसरी ओर कोलकाता पुलिस इस मामले की जो है तफ्तीश अभी भी चालू है और जांच अभी भी चल रही है।
So we've seen scenes like these throughout the country today, and students are enraged. Remember, the IMA has also stepped into this. I also do know that the health minister, the union health minister, has also said that he's open to a conversation with the students. But what is the leader in the center of this big controversy saying? Mamata Banerjee, who, remember, is quick to point fingers at everyone but herself. She doubles up as a stay-at-home minister. I want you to listen in to her response, followed by a quick counter also that has come in from Ravi Shankar Prasad of the BJP.
এবং আমি চাই পুলিশ যত তাড়াতাড়ি সম্ভব দোষীদের গ্রেফতার করবে আর রবিবার পর্যন্ত যদি তারা কোন কিনারা করতে না পারে কারণ ভেতরেও তো অনেকে আছে তাহলে এই কেসটা আমরা আমাদের হাতে রাখবো না, আমরা সিবিআইকে দিয়ে দেবো। তার কারণ হচ্ছে আমার এতে কোনো পাওয়ার লেনা দেনা কিছু নেই, আমি প্রথম দিন থেকেই বলছি, কিন্তু ওদের সাকসেস রেট খুব কম।
मैं फिर कहूंगा बंगाल में जो हो रहा है वो सरकारी आतंक का खौफनाक सच है। जो एक डॉक्टर के साथ बदसलूकी से जो बलात्कार हत्या हुआ, आप उसकी ठीक से पोस्टमार्टम नहीं कराते हैं, आप इनक्वेस्ट रिपोर्ट ठीक से नहीं बनाते हैं, डॉक्टर अजीब प्रकार की बातें कर रहे हैं, कुछ लोग सुसाइड की बात कर रहे हैं। क्या मतलब है इसका? हम डिमांड करते हैं सीबीआई इंक्वायरी, जो वहां की भाजपा ने कहा है। और ममता जी, आप बार बार सीबीआई से भागती हैं, कम से कम एक मरी हुई डॉक्टर की नृशंस हत्या के तो न्याय दे दीजिए। आप कहिए, हमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। वी कंडेम दिस काइंड ऑफ हीनस अटेम्प्ट फॉर कवर अप।
So Ravi Shankar Prasad there is challenging Mamata Banerjee, and he says what is stopping her from ordering a CBI probe. The BJP also has alleged that this accused that you see on your screen, Sanjay, does he have any connections to anyone high and powerful because of which you have the state literally going slow in the entire case? Do remember, these are very, very important questions, and we still do not know whether there were more people involved. But if you just look at the scale of the brutality, with the autopsy report, with bleeding from almost every organ, this will stun you. But I think we keep getting surprised. We don't get shocked enough. And that's the reason why you have netas who continue to come and say कि justice होगा, हम लोग सही तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं. I want to introduce Dr. Shantanu Sen, the national spokesperson of the TMC with us. Dr. Avra Sen represents the BJP, and we also have Rohan Somen Mitra, who's a political analyst. He leans towards the Congress on the show. Dr. Shantanu, why are we taking so long to order a CBI probe, and how many accused possibly are behind this brutal rape and murder? What can you tell us?
I will answer your question in two parts. First of all, along with the entire nation, we all together, along with our Chief Minister, Madam Mamata Banerjee, we have been condemning the incidents since the day of occurrence, number one. Number two, on the very first day, Chief Minister came before camera and she has said openly that the judgment, judicial inquiry will be under fast track court, and if possible, capital punishment should be given, not a single culprit will be spared. We know within 24 hours one culprit has been arrested. The investigation is still on, and it has been ensured by the Chief Minister and it has been ensured by the police administration that not a single culprit will be spared. And Madam herself said that we are taking time till Sunday, and if we are unable to complete the investigation till Sunday and arrest the other culprits, then we ourselves will be handing over the case to CBI. But we all know what CBI is. Nowadays, CBI, which was born in the year 1963, is nothing but another trustworthy political wing of Bharatiya Janata Party, having perhaps the poorest conviction rate. In last 2 years, we had nearly 29 CBI cases only in our state of West Bengal, and they couldn't complete only even a single case. And they are still looking for the Nobel Prize of Rabindranath Tagore, which we have lost long back.
Shantanuji, I hate to come in here, but I have also run out of my patience. Now, just give me a moment. The picture that you have painted is that, we have condemned it. The Mukhyamantri has come before the camera on day one, so let's give her a pat on the back. Everything has been done. We will figure out if there are more accused. You clearly cannot tell me whether there are more accused, how many more accused, and you say let's wait till Sunday, because obviously you can have a lot of forensic evidence that can get washed away, killed, or perhaps negated, and then tariq pe tariq, and then you spend a good amount of time telling me that you clearly do not trust the CBI, and that is the reason why you don't want to order a CBI probe. But Shantanuji, what about the justice in the case? Can you tell me that how could something like this happen in Bengal? You people have been saying that Uttar Pradesh mein law and order theek nahi hai. You've been, raising questions at Yogi Adityanath and everyone else. But what happens to Bengal? Is there any law and order in Bengal, sir?
Madam, as a responsible citizen of the country, I believe you do know that the investigation should goes through a process, and there are few steps. Sometimes police administration, they do not disclose the entire issue before the camera. So sometimes it takes some time. And that's why the investigation has been speeded up by the instruction of our Chief Minister.
I am asking you, Shantanuji, maybe you don't want to respond to that question. How could something like this even happen in the first place? Are women not safe even at their workplaces,
Definitely it's condemnable, but
why are you condemning? You are a part of the Sarkar, sir. You're running the government.
No.
You can't condemn, you have to act.
Are you of the opinion that it's only Bengal where such type of incident has taken place?
Every question will be asked, sir. No, now you don't go about and what about it. That is the problem. That is the problem, sir. I will ask the BJP representative a question. He will cite the opposition. We'll ask the opposition ruled states. They will say, oh, this does not just happen in our state. It happens everywhere. What about women then? Will you tell them that the opposition ruled state hai, this is, a BJP ruled state, and accordingly you will have safety?
No. You are not allowing me to answer. I am not justifying the case anyway. But what I want to say, yes, it has happened. It is condemned, but the thing that should be noted that after the incidents, what step has been taken by the government, by the Chief Minister?
Will this bring her back? Shantanuji, the girl is gone. The young girl has been violated. She's been mutilated. She is dead, sir.
It's a great loss for the nation. We have lost one doctor. Definitely, it's an irreparable loss. I do admit.
And this is while she was at work, sir. She was not out partying. Do you remember the kind of comments Mamata made post the Nadia rape case and the Park Street rape cases, sir?
I do admit, but it's not that it's only in Bengal it has happened. I do admit that it's a criminal case and it's highly condemnable. But once again, I repeat, you should note the steps which have been taken by the government that the incident has taken
So will
place.
you admit, Shantanu-ji, I'll just take 10 seconds of your time and then I want to get in Avra and Rohan both. Do you admit that Bengal is not safe for women? Will you admit that?
Certainly not.
Why not?
Certainly not.
Why not?
Citing one single example, you cannot portray like this.
Are you saying that life does not matter?
Or say you have to go through the National Crime Record
No,
Bureau
don't
record.
throw data at me, sir. Don't throw that.
Why
What
not?
about the parents
Why
today?
not?
Can you throw that data at
Why?
them and tell
That's
me?
a separate
No,
issue.
no.
That's a
She
separate
can
issue.
be,
We are also
sir, she
sympathetic.
can be raped
We
and
are
she
also
can be killed
sympathetic,
at her
but for
workplace. She
See,
did not
if
go
you are
out
not-
to party.
if
She
you-
was not
if-
celebrating. She
if
was
you
not
are-
out
if
on the
you have-
streets.
If you have decided that you won't allow me to speak, then why did you invite?
No, I want you to speak, but you cannot
No,
come
no,
here
you are
and
not
make
allowing
political
me. You are-
speeches,
every
sir.
time you are
I will ask you
interfering.
questions.
Every time you are interfering. I am not justifying the case in any way. But once again, I am saying it's an irreparable loss. It's a loss for the family, it's a loss for the country, because the country has lost a doctor.
So should the Home Minister of West Bengal resign, Shantanu-ji?
Why should?
Why should?
How many
Fantastic.
how many
Exactly
times-
the
how
problem.
many times-
Exactly
how many
the
times
problem.
Prime
So the
Minister
next time,
resigned? How many times
when you
Prime
have
Minister
such a
resigned?
heinous case
When
being
the
reported
ladies
from
were
anywhere
raped
else and all
and
of you say
forced to-
istifa dijiye,
forced to
istifa
parent
dijiye,
nakedly.
this doesn't
How
solve
many
the problem.
times- How many times Prime Minister
Dr.
resigned, you
Avra,
tell me?
Dr. Avra, how would you respond to what you've heard from Shantanu-ji so far? Why are you playing politics?
There is no scope of playing politics in this regard, I would say. But I would like to remind Mr. Shantanu Sen one thing. It was back in 2022 when he was a Rajya Sabha member. He had asked the question about the conviction rate of CBI. I don't know how he has forgotten that. But as an answer of his question, the MOS Prime Minister Office had replied that the conviction rate of CBI has gone up to 74%. I will also bring into perspective the conviction rate of Kolkata police. It is a paltry 14.6%. Now, my categorical question is, if the Home Minister, the Chief Minister, the Health Minister, Mamata Banerjee is holding all the portfolios, if she is unsure of the progress of the investigation, why isn't she handing over the case to the CBI immediately? Why is this
They are saying, Dr. Sen, that let the police investigate. Why are you playing politics? You have clearly sensed
I
an
will tell you,
opportunity. But when it comes to crime against women in BJP-ruled states, I mean, I don't want to begin this, entire conversation and get started and referring to a lot of these examples. I have also seen how the BJP has responded. आप भी यही बोलते हैं, politics मत करिए.
Kindly allow me to speak on this specific issue and then I'll answer your questions regarding the other states. If I start answering about the other states, this thing will get diluted. What has the police done after the incident? The police was on its toes to get the body cremated so that there is no other scope of second post-mortem on the body. Also, the police went to the crematorium with tear gas with them. What were they apprehending? Were they about to burst those tear gas cells? So that
Are you
no
provoking,
kind of
Dr.
protest
Sen?
happens?
Dr. Sen, if
One
all
more
this
thing,
is
one
true,
more
instead
thing.
of saying this on television debates, why don't you approach the court? The court
Already we
anyways,
have
I
approached
think,
the
is
court.
going to be listening to the
Please
matter
let me
tomorrow.
finish, ma'am, please let me finish. One more thing. Already we have approached the Honorable Calcutta High Court. PILs have been filed and the hearing will be up tomorrow.
Yes.
One more thing. The circumstantial evidence against the person who has been arrested by the police is just one torn headphone.
Are you saying he's not the accused?
police-
No, I want to know this from you. Is the BJP claiming that the person who's been picked up, are you saying he has nothing to do with the crime? He's been made a scapegoat?
Only circumstantial evidence of a torn headphone has been found by the police. One more thing. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, go on, please.
Yes. One more thing. The initial post-mortem report had mentioned about 2 semen samples from the vagina of the victim girl. Unfortunately, the CP of Kolkata police has come out in the open yesterday night and he has said that all those things are rumors and there is no angle of gang rape. When you see the post-mortem report which has been
Dr.
presented...
Sensi, you cannot have a situation where political parties, and depending on whichever side of the political aisle that you decide to sit, can be, coming on television studios and be deciding, ye accused hai, ye nahi hai. That's a little unfair. We haven't reached that
We are
stage.
not-
And we
absolutely, we
must
are not
trust the
deciding.
police. I mean, you hate Mamata Banerjee. This is a good opportunity to play politics. I get this. But not that you have also offered a solution. Now, Rohan.
Just let me complete. With 10
Okay,
seconds.
just take 10 seconds. I have to get in,
Yes,
Rohan.
10 seconds. You cannot trust the state police in this regard because the accused himself was a part of the Kolkata Police Welfare Committee. And we know de facto this Kolkata Police Welfare Committee reports directly to the CM. This
So what are you
Kolkata
alleging?
Police
What are you
Committee-
alleging? You tell me that.
There is a huge cover-up.
You're
And the
saying it's a
people who are
cover-up. Rohan?
actually involved are being
Okay.
just simply
Rohan,
let
you've
off
seen
by
the BJP
Kolkata
up
police.
in arms, the BJP protesting. Why is the Congress quiet? You know, ladki hu, lad sakti hu, Priyanka Gandhi said. Rahul Gandhi says, mohabbat ki dukaan. Aap bhi protest kariye na. I mean, do you not believe that this is something that Mamata should respond to?
Dipti, I don't know how are you getting this information. First of all, that the Congress is not protesting. You can check with your local.
Can you
bureau
tell
out
me
there.
how many
I
tweets have
myself-
come in from Rahul Gandhi or
No,
Priyanka vis-a-vis Mamata
that's what I'm
Banerjee and
saying.
her accountability?
No, can I? You asked me a question. Let me answer this.
Yes.
First of all, I'm not here to politicize this rape. I myself was there at the Arjikar thing. It's there on my social media. The Congress was there on Saturday. It was there on Sunday. And right now, right after the show, we are doing a candlelight march because we want justice for the family. We want justice for the victim. We are not here to politicize this rape. You know, whenever your team calls me on a show, especially based on rape, as a man, I feel disgraced to come on a show on Indian channels to, trying to say anything. First of all, this whole CBI versus Kolkata Police, let's come out of that. The Congress has been talking about having a judicial probe. It was not the BJP which has gone to the court. It has been taken up by the Kolkata High Court suo moto on this brutal incident, what has happened. This is the point. The point is, this is a bigger thing. It's like the government medical college, which is under the jurisdiction of the government of West Bengal. So there is no way the government of West Bengal cannot answer this, what has happened. Because this is about the security. This is in the heart of Kolkata. This is not Kolkata where you have all the councillors, the MLAs and the MP who has been elected for the 4th time in a row. And he's the MP and he's the chief whip of the Trinamool in Parliament.
Why can't
So
you
there is-
name
and
such
as
people,
you asked me a
Rohan?
question,
Rohan, exactly
let me
my
answer
point.
it.
Let's name
even-
and shame such people. Look,
I mean,
because
yeah,
Mamata
that is
Banerjee
saying,
cannot just
let-
tell me, give us time till Sunday. And if the police is not able to do much, we'll order a CBI
Just
probe.
one more point. No, just one more point, Dipti. I'm just saying, and you asked me what Priyanka Gandhi is doing or Rahul Gandhi is doing. It was on Priyanka Gandhi's instruction. We were there on Saturday. And if you can check her Twitter timeline, she has already gone on record, on public, condemning this and
Has she
asking the
asked
state
questions of
government
Mamata
and state
Banerjee? The
government alone.
answer is no, Rohan. Exactly what I'm saying. That it's good. It's good that people play politics,
see,
whether
you're-
it's the
you're
BJP,
good with
the
this whole-
Congress, the Trinamool, all of you, are guilty. We've just lost that connection with Shantanu Senji, but all that I could understand
No,
is
we are
that
guilty
wait,
because we failed as
don't
society.
say that West Bengal there
We
is
have
no
failed as
rule
a
of law and
society.
order. He
There's no
says
denying
everything
that.
is good. This is an aberration. But I think one must just think about this 31-year-old who went to work, as always. She was raped. She was killed. And netas are fighting for who's behind this, who should take credit, who should give themselves a pat on the back. Thank you for watching, but we'll keep our focus on that big story also when we come back on the other side.